Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Many years ago now, I was away for the weekend in Paris with my wife. And as we were walking around the city, I suddenly had this unbearable pain in my right foot. It was absolutely excruciating. And I was convinced I must have broken a bone somehow. So when I got back to the UK, I went to my local hospital to have a checkup. They x-rayed it, they gave me an ultrasound, and in the end, they basically said there was nothing wrong with it, apart from age-related wear and tear. Wear and tear is basically damage that happens over a period of time because something has been used. And in this case, that something was my foot. In the same way, we often use it when we're talking about our bodies and the way they slowly deteriorate over time. So, if you're a little bit overweight, as I myself am. Basically, the extra weight can add wear and tear to hip joints, or it can add wear and tear on your knees, or add wear and tear on your ankles. We also use it for inanimate things. So seat covers on buses, for example, take a lot of wear and tear. And in a family house, the kitchen table usually comes in for considerable wear and tear. And my old car, which has almost 90,000 miles on the clock now. Obviously, it has some wear and tear, but despite that, it's still in pretty good nick for its age. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use wear and tear.